Welcome to Hospitality Island, your ultimate destination for honing your skills in the world of restaurant service. Are you ready to become the best restaurant server you can be? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we've gathered 21 restaurant server tips and tricks that will transform you into a true hospitality superstar. All good waiters have employed the following list of tried and true serving advice at some point. 1. On your visitors' checks, write "thank you." It might raise your tip total. 2. Speak with your visitors, find out their tastes, and make suggestions for drinks, appetizers, main courses, and desserts. Sell the experience by all means. 3. Always be upbeat and greet visitors with a grin. 4. Depending on their tastes and your experiences, provide recommendations to visitors. 5. Try to recall the names and faces of the visitors. Visitors will be astounded if they become repeat customers and you remember their names. 6. Know the VIPs at your restaurant. 7. Always pay attention while your guests speak. 8. Make eye contact with each visitor and smile. 9. Don't try to overhear a guest's talk. 10. Plates should be held by the bottom and glasses by the stem. In essence, never touch any location that visitors will come into contact with. 11. Never use the phrase "I don't know." Say "let me find out" if you're genuinely uncertain of the solution. 12. Never take away a platter of food without first asking a visitor. And if a visitor requests that you accept it, inquire as to the dish's flaws. 13. Unless your business has a similar theme, you should never curse in front of customers. 14. Throughout each course, maintain a constant level of service. 15. Never let an individual overorder. Give them advice and inform them in advance on portion amounts. 16. Simply because a table isn't in your section doesn't mean you should ignore it. Don't hesitate to assist someone in need you observe. It will make your coworkers very happy. 17. In case they won't be used, don't leave place settings out. 18. In order to prevent dissatisfied customers from reading an item off the menu because the kitchen or bar is out of it, let guests know as soon as possible. 19. Never get offended if one of your visitors requests to talk with the management. 20. Keep the check in a discreet location at all times. If you don't, you run the risk of allowing your biases to come through, which is bad. 21. The point of sale system at your restaurant should be thoroughly understood. For controlling a service, it is your go-to tool. And there you have it, a treasure trove of restaurant server wisdom to fuel your journey towards excellence. If you found these tips and tricks valuable and want to continue enhancing your skills in the world of hospitality, don't hesitate to support us. Give that like button a friendly tap, subscribe to Hospitality Island for more enlightening content, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us about your server experiences, questions you may have, or topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to create exceptional experiences. So go out there, shine as a server, and leave a trail of delighted customers. This is Hospitality Island, signing off. Here's to your success.